Hey guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I make banana milk. 1 raw banana, 1/2 cup milk, I'm using organic, 1/2 cup water, 1 tablespoon maple syrup. I'm using butter flavored syrup because that's the only kind of syrup I have, but hopefully that won't change anything. And blend. Okay, now that there's not as many brown chunks, I think it's done. And it should look like this. It's like a thick white mix. It's like a tiny bit tinted yellow. Okay, time to pour it. And obviously you don't have to do this, but I'm going to try adding like a couple drops of yellow food coloring to just make it look more like banana milk. Okay, I can only really get the top colored, but it looks really good. So now I'm going to add some whipped cream, because why not? Oops. And a little drizzle of chocolate syrup. And now it's done. It looks super good. It looks like a Starbucks drink. And now let's try it. Oh my gosh. This is so good. Like, it tastes like banana, of course, but then the maple syrup, like, if you've ever had bubble tea before, you know that kind of like maple syrupy taste. This like tastes kind of like banana, but like what banana milk tea would taste like. This is really good. Like and follow for more videos.